Hi, this is James with Mother Road Customs. We're going to do an install video on this 2006 Road King Heritage and do a spring solo seat install. Okay, for the factory seat, there's these two nuts back here. Don't do that. Lift up, yank back, pretty standard. And the only thing different from the newer model that we've already done an install video is the newer model has the tank mounts on two posts back here, or bungs, and the old one has just one single one. So we had modified the kit to fit this slightly different tank mount. These are T40s. I'm going to remove this. This is also a T40. Alright, this is just a suggestion to not mar your paint right here. And also make it slightly easier, just keep this in place. Just put a little stainless steel washer there. You'll do it upside down, maybe be a little less marring. And just put some painter's tape or something to hold that on there. And the adapter plate goes over the same holes. You need this little riser in the front. We also have a tank bib. This is the tank bib we made to cover up your little gap here in your wiring. You can, with the holes here, you can put it either over or under. I'm going to put it over the kit, but if you were putting it under, you need to thread everything through this hole right here. Alright, you probably need to push these bars over in order to thread these bolts in. Hand tighten everything so you don't cross thread and then strip. These holes are slightly slotted, so just go ahead and fit everything. Get everything lined up. Tighten down the rear bolts. And the longer bolt in the front here is a 1/2 inch, not 1/2 inch driver. Then attach your springs. It's easier to put them on the seat first and then on the plate, the adapter plate.